All right, we're going to try out this Micronta battery tester for popular flashlights and transistor radio batteries. Test batteries under actual load conditions in 5 ranges. Easy to read battery condition indicator scale. What a beauty. I'm going to clean this up before I test it out. Very light. Made in Korea. Just gonna hit this with a little Windex. I think that's gonna do it a lot of good. Whew, pretty dirty. Really brighten things up some. It goes able to get some of that muck out of there. This thing is really gummed up. I mean, it's just rusty. I thought that was a screw. Looks like it. No, there's no screw. Not looking too bad. You can see there's some see if you can tell. There's some odd discoloration on the metal there. Clean the cables. Look at that, just from the cables. Pretty dirty. Okay, so I have a variety of batteries here. Triple A, double A from Kodak. This thing's ancient. Disposable, triple A, double A, another brand, and a 9-volt rechargeable. So let's go ahead and test these. Let's see what we get here. So we're going to click it on 9-volt. I'm curious. See what it's going to do. Oh, we have a good 9-volt battery. Interesting. Look at that. Make sure you get a nice view of that. Oh, looking good. Huh. I'm really curious on what it's doing. Okay, so now 1.5, which is what our friends here run at. Let's see. Okay, so this one still working well. How about our rechargeable one? This one's definitely towards the end of its life. Ooh. I can stay still. Ooh, yeah, it's struggling. Or as it says, Maybe. Okay, that's expected. Okay, Kodak rechargeable from yesteryear. Oh yeah. Definitely. Okay. All right. Interesting. And last but not least, AAA rechargeable. Solid. Very cool. What a nice little tool. I don't have any 22, 15 volt, or 6 volt batteries, so that's not going to do us any good. But pretty neat. I'm going to open up the back just because I'm curious what it looks like back here. There's 2 screws in the back. I need a bigger bit. Well, that's what's behind it. Various resistors. Resistor. So it looks like resistor, so that's the loads. The resistance is up, and then when you switch, it's mechanically, oh, see, there you go. It's mechanically switching the connection down there. Interesting. Oh, look at the way the mechanism is. Can you see that? It's a little, it's a ball, and it just rises up and then clicks into place. Nice, solid mechanical connection there. Huh, how interesting. Look at that. So simple. All right, well, I'm going to put this thing back together, and hope you enjoyed the video.